the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another chit chat. Today we're going to be gisting about people that put their fellow human being down and why you should not let them put you down. I'm going to be giving you guys some instances about my life and also some gists, mini story time about myself. So guys, growing up as a child, I was this shy person, always shy. I don't want people to yab me. I don't want, you know what's yabbing, make fun of me. I don't want people to talk about the kind of clothes I'm wearing, the kind of skirt I'm putting on. I care about what people say about me all the time. Like when I was growing up, if I was in the class and I was asked to clean the board, I would look for a way to maybe bribe someone else to go and clean the board, just because I don't want to stand up and go to the board and people will start laughing at my skirt. Nothing's wrong with my skirt, but I'm having this sense of they might see my skirt is not looking fine. So at some point of my life, I started learning to accept some kind of things, which was not good at that time. Like there's one of my classmates that she tends to yap somebody, make fun of people a lot. So at some point when she's trying to make fun of me, I'll be laughing at it because I feel like that's a way of me trying to make myself get used to being laughed at, and I'm okay with it, which is a very wrong notion. But growing up, and some of those people, if you watch it, let me give you the like I said, we're talking about people that put people down. Some people that does that kind of thing, they are doing those things just to get this kind of how will I put it? They're trying to put you down just for them to feel okay about themselves. Like mentally, within themselves, they are not okay, but they're trying to put you down so that they can feel okay. So putting you down is a way of them justifying themselves that I'm better than this person. So at some point, I started accepting something because I feel like maybe when I accept it, as I'm making fun of me, I'm not going to be pained because I'm laughing at myself. So no amount of something you tell me that will pay me. And at some point that thing helped me because it got to a point that no amount of fun you make, like no amount, if Nigerian we call it yabbing, no amount of yab me that can pay me. If you're yabbing me, you're wasting your time because I'll be laughing at you and I'll be telling you the one I want to tell you. So now it got to a point that no amount of yabbing was getting to me. So I grew thick skin, and I would advise you ladies, guys, anyone you are, try and grow thick skin. Like you guys, thick skin is the best thing that can happen to a human being on this earth. I'm not saying you should grow thick skin to advices that will help you, but growing thick skin to parents and people that tend to use maybe something about you to make themselves feel good. You grow thick skin to such people. And the second part is the reason why you should not let those people's putting down get to you. That's because if you let it, it can affect your mental health, it can hurt your self-esteem, it can make you lose confidence of yourself, some people even leads to suicidal thoughts. So that is the main reason why you shouldn't allow that to happen to you. If you get to a point of your life where somebody is putting you down and you feel like this person is actually putting me down, and the person finishes talking to you, you feel sad, you want to cry, you're just hurt. At that point, what you need to do is to avoid the person. If it's a family member, there are so many ways to avoid people. Avoid the person. And if it's a friend that is putting you down at any point in time, and at anything that anytime he or she sees the opportunity, they want to put you down, run for your life. Avoid that person because that person is not a good friend. You don't put your friend down no matter how bad they are to you. If someone is bad to you, you go all out and tell the person rather than trying to make the person look bad just to justify your own selfishness. You understand what I'm trying to say? So there are so many reasons why we should not listen to whatever anybody has to say that is going to hurt our self-esteem. It can come through the way you dress. They might tell you that maybe you are overdressing. They might tell you that maybe you are overdoing something. Do not listen to them, because by the time you listen to them, you are absorbing all the bad word and you start thinking, how sure are you sure what they are saying is not truth? That's because you have started absorbing it. So My advice from me to you is do not listen, do not absorb. Try as much as you can to grow a thick skin. As the person is saying that thing, you're trying to give. As the person is bringing that bad energy where you are, you are sending the bad energy back to the person back. You send the bad energy back to the person based on the fact that you don't want to absorb it and you don't need that bad energy around you. So today I went to the market and people were just giving me, I don't understand what's happening. Did I come to this market for you? And everybody just wanted to, maybe they feel like maybe I'm having the quiet face, they can talk to me and I will absorb it, I'll keep quiet just so that they will not see me as someone that can. I told them, please, it's not because I'm a woman or because I came to this market you feel like you can talk to me anyhow. No. You cannot talk to me anyhow. If you're having life issues and it's affecting you, look for help. You don't have to come and pour it on me. I'm not the source of your problem. Do you understand? I'm not the cause of your problem. I'm not the people that does that, put people down. My advice for you is to go just seek therapy. Go and look for ways to help your life. Look for ways to heal so that you don't use hurting people to achieve happiness for yourself, because that's going to be very bad. It's a very, very bad thing to do. So that is all for this chit chat with you guys, because my food is almost done and I want to eat because I'm tired. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, give me instances where such thing has happened to you and how you reacted to them. And you guys, I'm going to see you guys in Vlogmas Day 18. So stay tuned and go nowhere. Peace. Bye.
O'er the fields we go.